Okay, may isa ka request. Amo, may isa ka nung Christmas song. Dati nga road.
The stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till He appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices, oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine, oh, night divine.
Abay mo.
A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices, oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine.
Kung ano ito yung style Maria Carita tayo.
Pasweet.
All night
Apo, may sabi ka request kita tayo ni ating Venus, if I'm not mistaken, of Singapore.
followed visions of my own. I was born to belong to the lines of the sun and make it my home. I believe in happy endings, though I've only known a few. For as rare as they are, like a bright falling star, I found one in you. so endless, and the dream so far away. Sometimes when I'm almost to surrender, then I stopped and I remember I have you to save my day.
Often my imagination has reached out too far. When I felt you were there with your hand in the air, you know from the start.
Sometimes after all you've done to save me, through the love you freely gave me, every step along the way. Sometimes people ask what keeps me going, and in truth it comes from knowing I have you to save my day. Sometimes feeling helpless when I held you, wishing words would come to tell you I have you to save my day.
At tuloy tengah kedua ketika medyo nalilitay ng nababagas na sonata iti 1970s. Agur ka mampit pala apa yan natakukam di taku kumaya.
Kikataging gron na.
Makadistract.
I see Lord in my empty room, waiting for a sign. Is this the way you show your mind?
So many crazy thoughts in my head, but I know they're untrue. Am I in love or just a fool for you? You never told me you love me. I know you're not to blame. It's just the way you play again. You never told me you love me, but I'll get by somehow. You never told me you love me, so why should you care
Night after night I'd sit and wait for you, but you rarely show. I get the feeling It's time to go. Are you sincere or just passing time with someone who loves you? I'm tired of guessing at what to do. You never told me you loved me. I know you're not to blame. It's just a way you play your game. You never told me you loved me, but I'll get by somehow. You never told me you loved me, so why should you care now? Kapeng aking tinitimpla, lagi na lang lumalamig. Di ko malaman kung kulang sa tamis. Tasang walang kibong sa aking nakatitig. Ako't siya'y naghihintay, masagin ang iyong bibig. Buhok na mahaba, iniingat-ingatan mo. Noong isang linggo, pinaputulan mo ito. Marahil ay pagod lamang ang aking isipan, at di ko napansin at hindi tinutulan. Huwag kang mag-alala, di ako iiyak, di magdaramdam kahit nagapatak. Pag-ibig na minsan na aking dinanas, sa tulad kong puti, tama na at sapat. Pintong dati-dati bukas sa aking pagdating, ngayon'y nakasara at panangga sa hangin. Pag ikaw ay dumalaw at ito ay katukin, kahit mahina pa, ito'y aking sasagutin. Kay linis ng sinig, walang nakakalat, medyas at sigarilyo'y walang naghahanap. Sanggol na nasanay sa ama, ngayon'y natutulog kahit nag-iisa. Huwag kang mag-alala, di ako iiyak, di magdaramdam kahit nagapatak. Pag-ibig na minsan na aking dinanas, sa tulad kong puti, tama na at sapat. Huwag kang mag-alala, di ako iiyak, di magdaramdam kahit nagapatak.
Pag-ibig na minsan na aking dinanas, sa tulad kong putik, tama lang at sapat. Sa tulad kong putik, tama lang at sapat.
Okay, example ng 40 kedua, kalpasan ti sa mga manu nga pamalagip.
Apa nga ito, last hour ato, diretso 1 hour, o buti greetings ta. 45 ka na, 45 lang.